Hey, how y'all doing today? This is Wakefield from True Line Wealth. And the subject of this video today, and it's the biggest problem that I see, is where they get traffic. But this is not only traffic, this is traffic that is absolutely free. Uh, I got a couple of good traffic exchanges that I recommend that's highly popular. They have eyeballs on them all the time, so uh, I think y'all will like these sources. The first one here is what you see. It's called Webmaster Quest. Uh, it's been around since 2000. They even say it right here. It's highly popular. Not only can you advertise your stuff on here, and it's a lot of, I found a lot of good businesses on this site specifically. But yeah, Webmaster Crest is a good traffic exchange. I'm not gonna make this video a long video. I'm gonna get on to the next one. I think I got about 6 that I'm talking about in this video. The next one, now this is the king of all kings when it comes to traffic exchanges. It's the highly popular and super famous Easy Hits for You. As you can see, it's been around since 2003. You see right here, site promotion made easy. To date, they have generated over 3,862,009,210 hits. And you see right here, the #1 traffic exchange. Like I say, it's a complete no-brainer to join this one. All the ones I'm gonna name is a complete no-brainer, but this one most definitely, like I say, the most famous. You're gonna find a lot of good stuff, whether you're looking for a business or you're trying to advertise yours. Okay, #3 is Traffic Ad Bar. Traffic Ad Bar is a highly popular one. It's a lot of marketers that I know highly recommend this one. All of mine are gonna be good, so but yeah, Traffic Ad Bar, free to join. I don't know exactly how long Ad Bar been around. It says right here since 2009. Okay, #4 is Traffic G. Traffic G, see right here, over 500,000 members. 567,457. So you know that's good if it got that many. Been around since 2001. Okay, #5, Traffic Swarm. Now this one is famous too. 1,580,938 members since 2004. Yeah, this one right here, like I say, been around for a long time. Uh, so yeah, these are all incredible uh traffic exchanges, and like I say, free traffic that y'all can all use to get some eyeballs on whatever offer or lead capture page you're trying to market. I thought I said 5 or 6. Well, I thought I said might have said 6, but I think it's 5. I end up talking about. I want to make sure. Uh, yeah, that's all. So yeah. So sign up for these 5 right here, and not only that, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Also, I got all the links to these below, all of my affiliate links or whatnot. And it's going to be a 6th link. I'm going to also put the link to my blog that's 7 months old that I'm steady making better and better. And when you get there, click that marketing resources page that I got over there on my blog for some more traffic sources. Uh, some of those are free and some of those are paid, and I also frequently update that page when I get a chance. So these five traffic exchanges that I'm talking about, it's a no-brainer. You see that all over my famous, all of them, got about at least a 500,000 members or more. So uh, just sign up. Like I say, all the affiliate links at the bottom, my blog at the bottom. Subscribe and click that notification bell. And y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.